speaking of those types of collaborations, that's what Huawei's going to do. You know, they trying to figure out what 2022 and 2023 and 2028 looks like. And the smartphone business hasn't been so polite, so nice to Huawei. So they've been rapidly trying to figure out, okay, where should we be investing? And they like the automobile right now too. China's a big car market. Well, few cars being sold over there.
Yeah.
EVs, they got to be smart. They got to have the autonomous stuff.
Way more EV companies than here.
You can't even figure it out.
Too many to count.
Dozens. Yeah. Huawei is going to invest $1 billion on car tech. It says is better than what Tesla has. Now, who do we hear this from? Well, we hear it from Huawei's rotating chairman, Eric Zhu. Or Zhu. You know what a rotating chairman is?
He rotates in his chair around and around.
A rotating chairman. Damn. They rotate that position throughout the year. Isn't that crazy? They got multiple guys. I think there's 3 of them.
Oh.
Multiple guys can take the role at a given time.
Interesting.
Anyway, they have agreed to team up with BAIC Group, Chongqing Chang'an Automobile, and Guangzhou Automobile Group Co. Here's a quote. The smart car business unit receives one of the heaviest investments from Huawei. We will invest more than $1 billion in car component development this year. China adds 30 million cars each year, and the number is growing. Even if we don't tap the market outside of China, if we can earn an average of 10,000 won from each car sold in China, that's already a very big business for Huawei. Here's how they see it breaking down. They are much more open to the idea of the X factor of the collaboration. They see it like Intel, how you would have a sticker on your, I have an Evo sticker on this laptop right here.
Yeah.
So you would have, it would still be made by this variety of brands in a collaboration, but you would have the Huawei sticker that they're powering the smart components, autonomous components, things like this. And they would earn a percentage for having provided, and that's where the 10,000 figure comes in per unit sold. 30 million cars is what they're adding.
Wow.
So a much different approach, a little bit more low key, but kind of the way they got to move right now. As far as the rotating chairman's concerned.
Yes.
The rotating chairman.